It's time I tell you guys what is really going on. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang slash Q&A. I have asked you guys some questions over on Instagram and we're going to answer them. I am just about to leave. We're going to go to McDonald's. I'm going to try the new Grinch menu, which I haven't tried. Bit worried about it though, to be completely honest, because I've heard something like, am I right in saying it's like pickles on the chips, which I love the McDonald's chips, so there better not be, because I don't like pickles. So let's go to McDonald's and get our food, and then we're going to do a little Q&A. I'm back. I got all the Grinch menu. Frozen lemonade, not really sure what flavour, and then the McFlurry. I am going to go home because last time I came in McDonald's, we ended up getting a fine because we was in here for too long. I also just got some nuggets and fries. The Grinch fries though. So we'll try that out when I get home. I'm home and first things first, I have to try this drink and the McFlurry before it gets too melted. So I don't actually exactly know what this is. It's some sort of Grinch lemonade. I don't really know. Very sweet. I don't really know what flavour I'm getting though. It's okay. I probably wouldn't have it as my drink of choice, but it's okay. And then we need to try the McFlurry. Look, it's melting. Okay, so this looks like it's got some sort of M&M scenario with some sprinkled Christmas trees. Let's see how this tastes. Not too sure on that. Something tastes a bit funny. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Definitely not my favourite McFlurry I've ever had, that's for sure. Next up, the Grinch McShaker fries. So this is, it's gherkin. Gherkin flavoured seasoning, are you joking? I'm going to have to try a little bit for you guys, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit in the bag and a few chips because I don't want to waste all these chips. Oh, that is grim. I'm not excited for this now, that's for sure. Ooh, it's all powdery. That is not, nah. I've just wasted chips on that. I'm not eating that, there's no way. I honestly cannot believe that I actually wasted so many chips on this rubbish. This is awful. These ones, so much better. The last thing that I got was just some chicken nuggets. So, now I've tried everything except for the nuggets because I know what they're going to taste like. We can start on the Q&A. First question, which is actually quite a good question, is would you ever get a tattoo? I have thought about it for a long time, but after Rosie got hers, I was like, yeah, I definitely want to get one. And I would like it of Mum, Dad and Brooke drawing hearts and have like a line of their hearts that they've drew. I've always said I want it here, but I don't know if I want to change that now. So yes, I would love to get a tattoo. I've just never thought about actually doing it. Next question. Someone said, would you ever get your belly button pierced? No. I don't think it would suit me. Brooke and Rosie's really nice, but me, no. Are you planning on travelling more around Europe? Okay, I love going on holidays, and I do a lot of holidays in Europe. And I want to make 2026 a big year for travelling because this year was very big and I did go on lots of holidays, which I'm very thankful and lucky for. I would love to go on more and explore more of the world. Life is worth living. Go on that holiday if you want to go on that holiday. I just have to find the time because I don't have as much time nowadays. If you have any recommendations on where I should go, please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so many people are asking me this. They're all asking me about baking. When did I start baking? So we'll go from the beginning. I started baking when I was 5 with my nan. I did loads of stuff with her. And then I carried on from there and was always doing bits and pieces. And then just before, in 2019, like a bit before coronavirus, I started really getting into it. And I started on YouTube off the back of Rosie stuff. Everyone was asking me to start YouTube, so I started YouTube and I started doing baking. Then from there, it's just really just gone from there, and I love doing it. So To be able to do it for a living and for a job is just the best thing ever. Someone has asked, what is my dream Christmas present? Now obviously it's getting close to Christmas now. It's literally like 2 weeks-ish away, which is actually mental. I cannot believe it. Me and Brooke have been saying for a very long time that we would like to get another dog. So that would probably be my dream Christmas present, just because we feel like Bubbles needs a friend. Like, he's been on his own for a while now, because we've had him for like 6 years, something like that. Mum, Dad, hope you're listening to this. Next question is, are you still with your boyfriend? Yes, we are still together. And we have been together for nearly 3 years. So in April next year, so like 4 months away, we've been together for 3 years, which is insane. That's like one of the biggest things that I can't get my head around. We're so happy and everything is going so well. What did you take for your GCSEs? Now, I did my GCSEs a few years ago now. So I did maths, English and science. And then I did food tech, PE and business. So I did 6 in total. I didn't pass PE, but I did pass everything else and I did very well in them. So I was very pleased with that. I feel like I haven't even addressed like a major thing that's actually gone on with me at the minute. Is I got my hair done. I got my hair dyed natural. It was probably one of the best decisions I've made in a long time. I was just getting really bored of my hair. Like, it was just the same. I was getting the same every time and it was getting a bit dull down the ends. What do you guys think of my hair? All my family love it. Kai loves it. Like, he's like, this looks so much better than before, because he's only ever known me to have my hair like blonde-ish or like lighter. Next question. Someone said updated room tour. I haven't even done like a full updated room tour since I got my room done last Christmas. Like, it's been nearly a year of having my room how it is and I've not even done a room tour. So I'm very sorry, guys. Please comment down below if you would like me to do a room tour. Now it's time for the really personal stuff. This is really deep down personal stuff, okay guys? So listen up. Someone has asked me, do you get bad period cramps, and if so, how do you deal with them? By the way, love your videos. Thank you for that. But we're going to go into some details, okay? I do get bad period cramps. Please tell me if anyone has the same thing, because I have not heard anyone have the same thing as this. About 2 years ago, I started getting really bad pains in my stomach. When I first started my period, the day that I started getting a really bad pain, and then I went to the toilet, I went pale. I honestly thought I was like gonna pass out, and I think I probably did at one point. But the period actual cramps weren't too bad. It was just all over a whole body experience and it didn't feel very nice at all. After that, I went and laid down in bed and fell asleep. After I woke up, I was then fine. And I had the same thing every period for a few months. It was only like that hour spurt before I fell asleep that I would get everything going on, and then I was fine. So I went to the doctors and they checked me out for low iron. That was the big thing. My iron was low, but not low enough to have an iron deficiency. So ever since then, my big tip, girls, is if you have low iron, make sure to eat steak like a few days before, day before you are due to come on, because that has saved me. So ever since I started doing that, I don't get them anymore. So I have now finished all of my food, which means that I'm just going to do one last question. The last question is, what are you doing at the minute with work? I basically bake. I teach at after school clubs at a few different schools, and I teach the children how to bake. So they go home with some really good new tips. I will give them all the recipes and then they will bake it. I just love teaching them because they get so much out of it. They're so happy when they get there and so excited to come to me, and I hear so many good and nice compliments from the parents. As well as that, I also sell to a soft play. So this morning I went and actually dropped off all the stuff to them. I did some Christmas tree brownies, which are so cute, and then I also did some gingerbread men, chocolate chip cookies, and some Christmas tree double chocolate chip cookies. So I gave that to them, and then I'm also doing content creation, YouTube videos, Instagram, TikTok. I teach at my house, so I have some people come to my house. I only do it during like the holidays, so I'll do Christmas ones, I'll do Easter ones, summer ones. My hands are in a few different pies. Is that the saying? I don't even know, but that kind of works with the baking going on. That is now all of the questions answered, which means that it's the end of the video. So if you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!